Hey everyone, welcome back to RC Studios. Today we will be unboxing this Traxxas Ultimate Desert Racer. This vehicle comes with a ton of extra scale features on the outside. For example, you have these licensed BF Goodrich tires. You have two spare of the tires on the rear, a functional drive shaft, some movable fans, which move under when you're driving the vehicle. You have this jack right here, fire extinguisher, a full Lexan interior with two riders on the inside. With the UDR, you get a solid blocked rear axle, which is connected onto the rest of the vehicle by 4 links. You also get an anti-sway bar, which is right here. On each corner of the vehicle, you get twin GTR shocks. In addition to the dual GTR shocks on both sides of the rear and a solid axle, you get these limit straps right here to limit the total travel of the solid rear axle. On the front of the UDR, you get independent suspension and a realistic sway bar. I bought. That comes with the high output LED light kit installed already. This kit comes with 204 individual LEDs and a smart rear LED light bar, which indicates reversing and braking. The high output LED kit comes with a front bumper light bar and a top roof light bar. The most notable feature about the Traxxas UDR is the inverse tub chassis. You can remove this panel right here to get to all the internals. To store your batteries while bashing this truck, you have this neat compartment underneath the vehicle. To open it, you push it down, and then you slide this out, then pull up on the front and pull it out the rest of the way. In here, you have the option to run dual 2 or 3S batteries, or you can run a single 4-cell LiPo battery. If you're running the single 4-cell LiPo battery, you plug into right there. This vehicle comes with a 2200 kV brushless motor, which is paired with this VXL-6S ESC. With this setup, under 6S LiPo battery power, you can hit speeds up to 50 miles per hour. This vehicle for steering uses a 2075X Traxxas steering servo with all metal gears. With the Traxxas UDR, you get their TQI top quarters transmitter. This is a 2.4 gigahertz controller, which means it can be run with other vehicles. On this controller, you get a menu and set button. You can use this to program the way the controller works. You get a steering trim and multi-function knob. Knob will do on the vehicle will vary between vehicles, but on the UDR, this will control the Traxxas Stability Management, or TSM. The controller will require 4 AA batteries to be ran. The 4 AA batteries are not included with the vehicle. With the TQI controller, you have the ability to enable a Traxxas Link with your vehicle. You'll need to buy a wireless connecting module for the controller, and then you'll have to buy everything for the telemetry to get it to work. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing of the Traxxas UDR, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to be the first to watch new upcoming content of this vehicle. Also, click the notifications to be the first to see the content. Well, until next time, farewell.